Welcome back to another video on Vikings Armor. Today, it's not really going to be a video. I'm just introducing you to my channel, Vikings Armor, and I'm going to upload not every day, but most of the time. So you're probably going to see me most of the time uploading. And if I'm not, I'm probably going to be sick or something, or I just forget about it. So yeah, I'm just going to walk you through my channel. So basically, for the first video, we're gonna play some Fortnite, and in the comments, you can suggest what you want to play, or what you want me to play. And also, you should go check out All Gaming. So yeah. I don't really know what to do. So basically, I'm not gonna really do much. I'm just gonna, while I'm playing in the background, I'm just gonna talk you through my channel. So yeah, basically, we're not gonna upload every day, but most of the time, check out All Gaming. It may not come up, but go on YouTube and search up All Gaming, and it should come up. And so yeah, you can do that. And basically, I'm gonna upload almost every day. And if not every day, I'm probably gonna forget or I'm gonna be sick. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do right now. So basically, I'm playing Fortnite right now because that's what I have on my PC. And you can suggest what I want to play. It's just I chose Fortnite for the first one. And you can tell me what to play next, like Minecraft, Roblox, but yeah. Oh, the new shield bubble. So yeah, basically, I'm not really gonna do much, but yeah, that's basically a walkthrough on what my channel is basically about. And basically, I'm not really gonna upload that much, but like a lot. So yeah, basically that's all I'm gonna really do, in all my videos. I'm not really gonna do that much, but I'm gonna do a lot. So basically, you can suggest on, and like, if you don't want me to play, if you want me to keep playing Fortnite but you don't want me to play this, you can say like, play Fortnite creative mode, or play Fortnite solos, or play Fortnite Death Run, or anything. Whatever is like, and I'm not just gonna play like something that I find in the comments, like the first thing I find in the comments. I'm gonna choose like, whatever is like the most popular. Like, if everyone says they want to see, like, this or that, I'm gonna pick what they want to see. So basically, that's like a little walkthrough on what my channel is. So yeah. I'm just gonna run around and have fun. So yeah. I'm just gonna test out some stuff and just practice my building. So yeah, and you may know if you're playing Fortnite, you may know Tilted Town was added like a couple of days, like a couple of weeks ago. Tilted was added a couple of weeks ago. This was added like a couple of days ago. Um, the Pandora's Cup added like really like a couple of days ago, and then this new location that's gonna come out soon. Um, the next Rift Beacon was what it's called at Fatal. Everyone says it's gonna be changed to it's gonna be changed into basically a like not really a not really it's not gonna really be new, it's gonna be old, cause you know, if you know this Fortnite storyline, how if you're playing since season 5 and 6, you may know Kevin the Cube, which is basically this big huge purple thing that was in season 5 and 6 that started this whole mess. And basically everyone says, like, if you go to Fatal, you can see that there's like a little rift beacon, and it's powering up energy to make something, or like change the map. But that's what it's been doing. Like, over here, that used to be Neo Tilted. That used to be like, I don't know, like, I'll be right back. Yeah? Okay, I'm back, guys. My dad just called me. So, yeah. Okay, now. So, yeah, if I go to Fatal, you'll see that there is, there's like a rift beacon at Fatal, and you can, like, see that there's, like, if you see how above, like, every place there's, like, a big, huge orb thing, except for that one. That one was naturally made. Over here, you can see if it loads in. When I'm gliding down, you may see there's like a machine. There's like a big, huge machine, and you're gonna see like those particles around it. There's, and you can see like it's energizing in the middle. And yesterday it was just sitting here, but now today it's like making like particles, and it's like taking solar energy and powering it through these wires into the machine, making this little thing. And usually there's like a little tiny like crystal in the middle, but that's not there yet. So tomorrow is either the event, tomorrow it's gonna change, or tomorrow's gonna change the map, or tomorrow they're gonna add the crystal. So I don't know which one's gonna come, but one or the other. Just kind of went from introduction of my channel to an actual game. So yeah, that's basically what my channel's gonna be about. So make sure you check out my channel and see when I upload new videos. Maybe one tomorrow after that, I definitely upload on the weekends, not on the weekdays like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Maybe if I have time, because I have to go to school before I upload. So yeah, that's basically what my channel's gonna be about. Bye!